Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. It has been really very long since we have met. New academic year has already started in June, and as always, we have come up with many new activities for our kids. In last 3 months, we have introduced many new processes as well, and I'm sure you will be very happy to see the growth in our children. So here are some quick updates what has happened in last 4 months in Rishi Valmiki Eco School with your support.
One of our proudest moments this year is the launch of free evening tuition classes for struggling students. What makes this initiative extraordinary is that our own alumni are leading these sessions.
हमारे स्कूल में एक्टिविटी बेस्ड लर्निंग और रेमेडियल क्लास होने के बावजूद भी बच्चों को स्टडीज़ में कुछ डिफ़िकल्टीज आती है, इसलिए हमारी मैम ने सोचा उनके बारे में कि आरवीएस फ्री इवनिंग क्लासेस चालू किया जाए। बट अभी बात आई पढ़ाने की, तो मैम ने सोचा कि जो भी हमारे एक्स स्टूडेंट है वो यहाँ पर पढ़ाने के लिए आएंगे। अब वो क्यों पढ़ाने के लिए आएंगे? इसलिए क्योंकि हम उनके एज के हैं ना, तो उनसे जो हमारा स्टूडेंट का और हमारा बॉन्डिंग बहुत जम सकता है, क्योंकि वो हमें एक भैया दीदी करके बुला सकते हैं। जो भी उनकी फीलिंग्स है वो हमसे अच्छे से शेयर कर सकते हैं। उनको पढ़ाई में डिफिकल्टीज क्यों है वो एकदम प्रॉपरली हमें बता सकते हैं।
Children who once studied in these classrooms are now returning as mentors, guiding the next generation like elder brothers and sisters. Through this, they are supporting younger students while also earning dignity and financial help for themselves. Take Abhishek. He has just begun his hotel management course with his fees proudly sponsored by our school. At the same time, he supervises tuition sessions, continuing the chain of giving back. And then there is Roshanbi Sheikh, our very first ex-student who has returned as an assistant teacher while pursuing her studies. Through them, we are watching Dream Come Alive, a school slowly being run by its own children, where learning is coming full circle.
I am very proud to inform you that this year more than 350 students are studying on full scholarship, out of which 280 are girls, and I am one of them. This scholarship gives us hope that our Sarthis will always help us. We just have to dream big and work hard. This scholarship is very important for a family as it supports them financially and even more helpful for our girls, as girls' education is still not a priority of our country. And I hope in coming few years, all of our students will be studying on full scholarships.
We are also piloting a social emotional learning project to help children build essential life skills while preparing our topper students for Olympiads, NTSE, and Homi Baba exams. At the same time, our FCRA process is progressing, helping us take the next step in raising funds to reach even more children. Education at our schools is not limited to books. This year, we have introduced harmonium and Bharatnatyam classes, giving our children the chance to learn discipline, rhythm, and expression through the classical arts, alongside our drawing program to prepare students for government exams and uncovering hidden talents waiting to shine. And with over 16 co-curricular programs from football, karate, and Malakham to abacus and more, our children are building confidence, discipline, and creativity. This year, we also started with library lectures for students from grade 1 to 9, encouraging the habit of reading and helping them build stronger reading skills. Alongside this, our new literature club is nurturing selected students to explore creative writing and express themselves with confidence and imagination. Both our branches are now becoming fully equipped with STEM and computer labs, giving our children the tools to innovate and prepare for tomorrow.
पहले हमारे पास स्टेम लैब नहीं था तो टीचर हमें कॉन्सेप्ट अलग अलग वेज में सिखा देते, लेकिन अभी हमारे पास स्टेम लैब है तो जो कॉन्सेप्ट होते हैं हमें इजीली समझ आ जाते हैं और हमारे डाउट्स क्लियर हो जाते हैं.
And after years of discipline during the pandemic, our nursery is alive again, growing from just 7 children to more than 25 this year. In total, our school's strength has growth of nearly 9%. This increase is more than numbers.
Every milestone we are celebrating today, it's not only ours, it is yours. It's because of your support we have been able to provide so many resources to our children for their growth. And results are amazing. And the best part is, our bachas, our ex-students are coming back to support us. They are like role model for the current children, and that fills my heart. But our journey is still unfolding. This year's our total budget is more than 3 crore. And currently, after committed funding, the deficit is 1 crore 31 lakhs. And here we need you again. We need your continued support to give quality education to our bachas. Your belief, your generosity, your partnership, it is the reason these children are dreaming. Together, we are not just educating children, we are building communities, we are rewriting destiny. It's because of your support our children are able to dream. Thank you.